Hello everybody, welcome to Mrs. Lin's Kitchen. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare homemade Taiwanese style chicken soup stock. This is my family soup stock recipe. It doesn't take hours to make and the result you get is rich and tasty soup stock that can be used in many soups recipes. Here is the ingredients overview. Dried fruit is optional and it will add sweetness to the soup base. I use dried pineapple in this video. You can use dried peach, persimmon, or dried apple. You can also use corn. Remember to wash all the vegetables before using. Let's prep the vegetables now. For daikon radish, carrot, and celery, you'll be cutting them into big chunks. Make sure you peel the daikon and carrot skin before cutting. With cabbage leaves, you want to tear them into smaller pieces. Now, let's start out by blanching the chicken bones. Fill a pot with water and bring to a boil. When water starts to boil, add the chicken bones and blanch for about 2 minutes. Blanching the bones before making the soup stock will help get rid of impurities from the bones. When the time is up, turn off the heat. Next, drain out the water and rinse the chicken bones. We're now ready to make the soup stock. In a clean pot, add 15 cups of water and bring it to a boil. When water starts to boil, add the blanched chicken bones, daikon, carrot, celery, cabbage, and dried pineapple. Give the pot a quick stir. Bring everything to a boil. Once it starts to boil, cover the pot and lower the heat to medium-high heat. Continue to cook for another 45 minutes. This is my delicious soup stock after 45 minutes of cooking. You can add some salt to taste or leave it as is and season it later when you use the soup stock for other recipe. Make sure to take out the bones and veggies before storing your soup stock. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to a week or freeze the soup stock so it can last longer. In my next video, I'll show you how to use this soup stock in a Taiwanese recipe. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.